Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to submit your Android app to Play Store. For this particular tutorial, I've already created the I've already started, so just follow it step by step. Okay, so you click on create app and it'll take you to this place. Since I've already created one, I'll just click on edit and then I will continue. So when you click on new, this how it will open. You enter the name of the app, then you select is your app is your project an app or a game, then it's a paid or free, then also the declaration you select. Okay, so that's how it will go. Okay, so now let's try to edit what I'm doing. Let's continue with that one. Okay, so you click to this side, you will scroll to this side, set up your app. Okay, so you select the first one, set privacy policy. Okay, all right, so you follow this step by step. So they ask you to enter the privacy policy URL, then you paste it there and click on save. Okay, all right, then you go back again to the dashboard, you select app access. So they'll ask you some questions, read them, and then you make sure you select one, or select the number one. Allow functional, all functionality is available without any access, special access. Okay, so you come back again, you select add. Will you show ads on your app, or is ads adverts on your on your application? You select yes. You come back again, you scroll down, you select content rating. So the content you are publishing on your app, you follow these steps to rate your content. Okay, so again they ask you of your email address, you enter your email address and then you select the category. So for me, I'll select all other app types, then click on next. So here you read everything carefully, then you select according to your app. So for me, I'll select no for downloaded application, no, user content, no, online content. So you read the description so that you don't just follow what I'm doing. In case yours is yes, you tick the yes. Okay, all right. Okay, so you click on save or next. Alright, so it will take you to this side. You click submit and then now they will rate your app for you. So the rating has been done. Okay, so you click on this arrow to go back. Scroll down and go to the next stage, target audience. Okay, so let's select target audience. So we are targeting 18 and above. And then is the app appeal to children? If yes, you tick yes. If no, you tick no. Click next and then you click on save. Okay, again then you click on the dashboard and go back. All right, now you click on the next stage, that's news app. If your app is news app, you select yes. If no, you select no. Okay, let's continue. Come back to the dashboard again, you select COVID-19 contact tracing. Okay, so they ask you whether your app is for contact tracing. If no, you select the last one. If yes, you select any of the first and then the second. So our app is not for contact tracing, so select the third one, click on save, go back to the dashboard again. Now you click on data safety. Okay, so let's click on next again. Yes, you can read through. You click on next, they ask you some question again. So select no, as I'm doing, just follow what I'm doing. Okay, all right. Go back to the dashboard again. Now you pick the next one, government apps. So the app you are doing, it is for government. Is the app for government or is for any of the government institution? If yes, you select yes. If no, select no. So when you tick yes, this is what they will ask you. So for me, I'm not doing any app for the government, so I'll pick no and then click save. Okay. Okay, so now you go back to the dashboard again, and then you come to manage how your app is organized and presented. Okay, you select the first one. So the app type, or the app type is application. The category, you select the category. Okay, so yes, select the category. Our category is music, audio, music. Let's scroll. Okay, music and audio. So for the tag too, you can add. Okay, you can add tags, but for this one, you're not going to add any tags. Okay, so let me cancel this. Okay, right. So now we enter our store listing contact. So the one with the asterisk, it means is required. You have to enter it. So that's the email address. You enter the email address, and then the phone number and the website, they are optional. You can choose to enter, yes, or you can leave it blank. Okay, after doing that, you click on save. Okay, all right. Okay, let's click on save. Okay, now see there's no the dashboard is not shown here again, so yes, click on this one, the arrow, and go back to the dashboard again. Okay, so let's click on set up your store listing. So the name that will appear on Play Store. Okay, so you enter the name and then the description, then the full description as well. Okay, after that you click on save, and then here you have to upload the icon that will show when it gets to Play Store. Okay, and then the size is supposed to be 512 by 512 pixels. Okay, you'll upload the logo and then the feature graphic as well. Then the size 2 is supposed to be 1024 by 500. Okay, alright, so you make sure you enter that one. Then for screenshot too, you have to upload screenshot for phone and then tablets, for tablets, and then for tablet and the other ones, that one you can leave it, it's not necessary, but in case you have the screenshot of that one, you upload it as well. So this is for phone, screenshot for the phone, you upload minimum of 2. Okay, so you upload them here. So as I said, for Chromebook, and then what's the other one, tablet and the rest, you can leave that one. Okay, so you click on save. Then after click on save, you come back to production. Here, production. Then you click on release. Since I've already started this project, you just go to edit. Okay, so it take you to this side. Then they'll ask you to upload your app bundle or the APK. Now if you load the APK, it won't work. It's only the app bundle that will work. Okay, all right. For me, I've already uploaded the app bundle, so I just go to add from library and then I'll add it from there. Okay, all right. So this, then the countries too, and then the region, you click there, then they'll ask you to select the countries where you want the app to be published. Okay, so all right, so the app bundle is here. You just select it. Okay, then the release detail, the name. Okay, the app bundle, let me upload. Okay, then add to. Okay, so these are the details of the APK or the app bundle. So alright, so after entering the name, and then click on start rollout to production. Alright, okay, say some warning that they are saying, forget them and continue. So start rollout. Okay, so as I said earlier, you enter the release notes. Just enter anything. Yes, then after entering that one, you click on review release, and you are good to go. So they will review your app. Initially it was within some hours, but because of COVID-19 it now takes up to 1 week. Yes, so you are good to go. Alright, so you click on start rollout, and then you click on rollout, and that's all. So our app is in review. So that's it. After 1 week or within 1 week, they will review and send you a message. All right, thank you for